On this cruise, we get our towel animals in the morning instead of in the evening.
Here are two of our towel people. We have what looks like a dog, and here we have what looks like an elephant. And we are on day 2, still cruising, and still very rough weather out there. Yesterday the wind speeds were up to 102 kilometers. That's pretty windy. But at least today the sun is shining. And everything is great.
This is to show you just exactly how high the seas were in comparison to where our room is, and it's really quite shocking. When we got to Florida on Friday, the winds were quite strong, and when we were taken to Carnival Port, the winds were even stronger. Saturday night they were strong. Sunday they were even worse. This is Monday, and they are even worse. The ship has had to slow down, and we will be arriving in our port later than expected, and we will get to stay 1 hour later in St. Croix tomorrow. And as you can see, the waves are even worse. But we should be entering the Caribbean, and it should get better. But I thought you might like to see. We are halfway past Dominican Republic, and if, as you could see from that last bit of water that went by, oh yeah, it's bad. See that? The water is above our window now. It's not just the wind-blown water. It is the actual ocean water. And it's going above our window. Let's see if we can get some more big waves. That was just wind blown. And there was one wave, Bruce saw a fish in it.
The wind speed is 100 kilometers.
Wind speed is 100 kilometers, which translates to about 62 miles an hour. The captain calls these waves swells, and they are 20-foot swells, according to him. I'm having to hang on for dear life. Oh, this one's going to be a dandy.
Oh, the wind died down to 86.
We've never been this low on a ship before in bad weather. So this is an experience for us too. And you know, as soon as I turn the camera off, another really big water-filled wave will hit our window. People ask if we were afraid, and I said no, my window didn't leak, so it made a good view of the water. Wonder if it'll get worse tonight, because it's kind of bad today. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that means...
Don't worry about it at this moment.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.